Just a quick video. Here in today we have a Lancia Delta Integrale, and this thing has been sat for years and years and years, but it's come in the shop today to see if we can get it running. As you can see, many people have been looking at it, stripped it down, and I've received it like this today. So we're just going to have a little walk around, show you the car. Inside the car, really good condition, but as you can see, so a bit of a mess in here. Hasn't run for many years. Doesn't even have a fuel pump in it. So we're going to sort that out and see if we can get it running. So it appears I've lost a load of footage, but just to let you know, we put a new fuel pump in it, cleaned out all the fuel lines. We had the injectors taken out and sent away, which they were all knackered. So we put 4 new second-hand injectors in that the customer supplied, and this is the result and the first start up now. Tries, the engine started to run a lot nicer. Still had a little bit of a misfire, but that was fine because this engine hasn't been run in, he tells me, over 6 years. So it's going to take a little bit of fettling just to get it to run for the first time now. Warmed up a little bit, and as you can hear, it's running a lot better. Now the car's warmed up a little bit and everything seems to be okay. Battery's nicely charged, so the customer wanted to see it run, start off its own power, and it runs sweet. For something that's sat for so long, it's actually pretty good. Under his own power, and we can drive it around the yard. So that's quite a job well done, just getting it running for the customer. Obviously he wants to put this in for a full renovation, but just wanted to know the engine was still okay, so I'll say that's job done. Please give this a like and subscribe to see more content just like this.